Replacing the windows in your Gilbert, Arizona home is a significant investment that can enhance energy efficiency, boost curb appeal, and improve the overall comfort of your living space. However, selecting the right window replacement contractor is crucial to ensuring that the job is done correctly and provides long-term benefits. With so many contractors available, it can be difficult to know which one is the best fit for your project. Here's a guide to help you choose the best residential window replacement contractor in Gilbert, Arizona. Do your research before making any decisions. It's important to research local window replacement contractors. A good starting point is to ask for recommendations from friends, family, and neighbors who have recently had windows replaced. Word-of-mouth referrals can give you insight into their experience and the quality of work provided by the contractor. Additionally, use online resources like Google Reviews, Yelp, and Better Business Bureau (BBB) ratings to assess the reputation of various contractors in the Gilbert area. Look for companies with consistently high ratings and positive feedback, as this indicates reliability and customer satisfaction. Verify licensing and insurance. One of the most important steps in choosing a residential window replacement contractor is verifying their licensing and insurance. In Arizona, contractors are required to have a valid license, which ensures they meet state requirements for training, knowledge, and professionalism. Additionally, make sure the contractor carries both general liability insurance and workers' compensation. This protects you in the event of accidents or damages during the installation process. Without proper insurance, you could be held liable for injuries or property damage, so it's critical to confirm that the contractor has the appropriate coverage. Experience and expertise. When it comes to window replacement, experience matters. A contractor who has been in business for several years is more likely to have encountered a wide variety of challenges and can handle the complexities of any project. Ask potential contractors about their experience with window replacement in the Gilbert area, as local climate and building codes can influence the installation process. Additionally, inquire about the types of windows they have experience installing. Whether you're replacing energy-efficient windows, double-pane windows, or custom windows, make sure the contractor has expertise with your preferred style and materials. Get multiple quotes before choosing a window replacement contractor. It's a good idea to get at least 3 quotes from different companies. This allows you to compare pricing, services, and timelines to ensure you're getting the best value for your investment. While it may be tempting to choose the lowest bid, remember that quality should always be a priority. A low price could mean the contractor is cutting corners, using inferior materials, or lacks experience. On the other hand, a higher price doesn't always equate to the best service. Look for a balance between affordability and quality, and choose a contractor who provides transparent pricing and a detailed estimate. Ask about warranties. A reliable window replacement contractor will offer warranties on both their products and installation work. A manufacturer's warranty typically covers defects in the windows themselves, while an installation warranty ensures that the contractor will fix any issues related to improper installation. Make sure you understand the terms of these warranties, including how long they last and what they cover. A contractor who stands behind their work with a solid warranty is more likely to provide quality service and be responsive if any problems arise after installation. Review their portfolio and references before hiring a contractor. Ask to see their portfolio of previous work. This will give you a sense of the types of projects they've completed and their attention to detail. A good contractor will be proud to showcase their work and demonstrate their capabilities. In addition to reviewing their portfolio, ask for references from previous clients. Speaking directly with homeowners who have worked with the contractor can give you insight into their professionalism, communication, and the overall quality of their work. Make sure to ask questions like, were you satisfied with the window installation? Did the contractor complete the project on time and within budget? How was the communication throughout the process? Evaluate customer service. Customer service is a key factor when choosing a window replacement contractor. The contractor should be responsive, answer your questions, and provide clear communication from the initial consultation through the completion of the project. Pay attention to how they treat you during the initial interactions. Are they prompt in returning calls or emails? Do they take the time to explain the process and offer solutions tailored to your needs? A contractor who values your time and provides excellent customer service is likely to be more reliable and committed to your satisfaction. Choosing the best residential window replacement contractor in Gilbert requires careful research, attention to detail, and consideration of experience, licensing, and customer service. By following these steps, verifying credentials, comparing quotes, reviewing references, and ensuring solid warranties, you'll be well equipped to select a contractor who can deliver high-quality work and ensure your window replacement project is a success. With the right contractor, you can enjoy improved energy efficiency, enhanced curb appeal, and peace of mind, knowing your home is in good hands.